but I thank God I'm not where I used to be. I was fucked up, feeling like the devil had a hold on me.
Money. Yeah, we have.
Mama crying when the rent due.
Alright,
You don't know the shit we been through. Was there nothing that I could do? Why should rain on me?
Hello. All cars available. Stay in Mosque today. Mosque City got to cover.